Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Here we are discussing inverse trigonometric function and its differentiation. Here is a question which is linked with the logarithmic differentiation also. Therefore, find dy by dx if y equals e raised to sine squared x into 2 tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Y equals sine squared x into 2 tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x is considered to be the first equation. 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Items we can consider 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. We will get an interesting answer. Therefore, let x equals cos 2 theta. Therefore, 2 tan inverse root 1 minus x by 1 plus x equals 2 tan inverse 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta whole root. 1 minus cos 2 theta results in 2 sin square theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta results in 2 cos square theta. Therefore, we get 2 tan inverse root 2 sin square theta by 2 cos square theta. 2 and 2 cancels. Therefore, root of sin square theta by cos square theta equals root of tan square theta. Therefore, root when eliminated we get tan theta. That is 2 tan inverse tan theta. Tan inverse and tan cancels here. Therefore, we get 2 theta. X equals cos 2 theta. Therefore, 2 theta equals cos comes to be here. Therefore, cos inverse x. Therefore, 2 theta equals cos inverse x. Therefore, first equation becomes y equals e raised to sine squared x into cos inverse x. We simplified this function to be cos inverse x. Therefore, e raised to sine squared x into cos inverse x, a simplest function here. Taking log on both sides, log of y equals log of e raised to sine squared x into cos inverse x. That is log of xy. Log x plus log y. Therefore, we can consider log e raised to sine squared x plus log cos inverse x. Log of x into y equals log x plus log y. Therefore, log of e raised to sine squared x cos inverse x equals log e raised to sine squared x plus log cos inverse x. That is log e raised to sine squared x. Log u raised to b equals b log u. That is the formula. Therefore, log e raised to sine squared x equals sine squared x log e plus log cos inverse x. That is sine squared x plus log cos inverse x. Log e results in 1. Therefore, 1 by y equals so and so. Therefore, y when differentiated, it becomes implicit and 1 by y dy by dx equals 2 sin squared x. D by dx of sin squared x is 2 sin x into d by dx of sin x cos x plus log cos inverse x equals log u equals 1 by u du by dx. Therefore, log cos inverse x equals 1 by cos inverse x into d by dx of cos inverse x equals minus 1 by root of 1 minus x squared. Therefore, we can control the final result to be dy by dx equals e raised to sine squared x cos inverse x into sine 2 sine x cos x. We are having a simpler formula for that. 2 sine theta cos theta equals sine 2 theta. Therefore, 2 sine x cos x equals sine 2x. Minus 1 into 1 minus, that minus results whole rational form to be minus 1 by cos inverse x into root of 1 minus x squared is defined as the final answer.